Hello students, I am NK Jha from APS. The day before we had discussed about the topic which is extracted from. We have the textbook that is provided by NCERT, CBSE, and we have to study the fun they had. Isaac Asimov, it is written by Isaac Asimov. So it's too essential for all of us. What is this topic? What is this topic? So the day before, I had given some instructions, some introduction about this lesson, the fun they had. And that day, told by me about a school of the future, situation you have to learn, and which part you will have to take in schools of the future. You have to think about, because it's too necessary. And learning through computers, virtual classroom, robotic teacher, moving e-text, what is this? We have to know. So very, very important. So first one, we have to see learning through computers. That means the talk of future, the thought of future. And that lesson refers to the world of the future. It refers to the world of the future where computers will play a major role, where computers will play major role. It's very, very important because this is the talk of future, how the school will be in future, like today or different from today. That is the main things I have to follow. How the condition of a school will be held in future. So computer will play major role. Let the children talk freely about how they imagine the schools of the future. You have to think about yourself. What will be the reality of the future of a school? You may explain the ideas of virtual reality and virtual classroom. Virtual classroom means each boy is sitting in his room. That is known as virtual classroom. Because you have looked the picture of schools of the future, and the point is given virtual classroom. Virtual classroom means each boy is sitting in his room, and computer will be kept in front of the boy. That will be the criteria of the future of the school. It is discussed and it is explained in this lesson. So whenever we will start thoroughly and line by line, after that will be more clear. So firstly have to follow virtual class, and virtual class will be separate class of that boy who is sitting in his room. Understand? And robotic teacher, that means not a real man, that means teacher will be robotic. That means it will works by the help of machine and run with electricity. And moving e-text, that means all those books will be moved on the screen. Okay, that will be the facilities. We'll have the boy, we'll have the students, but the class will be separate, and that was the thought of the futures school. Okay, the term virtual reality refers to reality created by computer software, and a virtual classroom is not a real classroom, which is explained by me. That means a single boy, each boy is sitting in his separate room. That will be known as virtual classroom. And virtual reality refers to a reality created by computer. It's two important things. These two important things I have to understand, because you are discussing, I am discussing schools of the future. Clear? So these two things you have to care seriously, but one where learning is through computer software or the internet, the children may know what a robot is and be able to guess what a robotic teacher would be, and what should be the criteria we have to follow according to the future plan, according to this chapter. And in this chapter particularly the topic is related from a future school, and how the atmosphere will be have to discuss. Clear? So firstly, the story begins with Margie. Margie is a girl. Okay, wrote about it that night in her diary. That means उसने अपने डायरी में उस रात को लिखा. On the page headed, पेज के ऊपर 17th May 2157. That was the date. That is the date. Imagine 2157, that means 2157. This is the talk, this is the year about future. Future talk, because it is to come after 1.5 centuries after. She wrote today, Tommy found a real book. She wrote, उसने लिखा, टॉमी फाउंड अ रियल बुक, कि आज टॉमी को जो है सो रियल बुक मिली है. बट he shows her express, she shows her expression. It was very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, Margie's grandfather once said, मार्गी के ग्रैंडफादर ने एक बार कहा था, when he was a little boy, कि जब वह एक छोटा बच्चा था, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on a paper. तो उन्होंने कहा था कि एक समय था जब सारे स्टोरीज को पेपर के ऊपर प्रिंट किया जाता था. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means with many folds or lines, because book is too old. Book is too old. Okay, they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. पेज को उल्टाते हैं तो आप देखोगे जब बुक ज़्यादा दिन का हो जाता है तो उनके जो लुक्स हैं वो येलोइश होते जाते हैं. एंड क्रिंकली मीन्स मैनी फॉल्ट्स, कई सारे लाइनिंग हो जाते हैं. It was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to. उस पे जो वर्ड छपे हुए हैं, प्रिंट किए हुए हैं, वो आज भी एज इट इज़ वहीं पे लिखे हुए हैं, वो मूव नहीं करते. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. It is fact, because book is printed and the word will not move. Gee, said Tommy. Tommy said, here the second character, the main character is Margie and second character is Tommy. What a waste! क्या फालतू की बातें कर रही हो. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. टॉमी ने कहा कि क्या फालतू की बात करते हो. When you are through with the book, जब तुम किताब के साथ होती थी, you या होती हो या पढ़ लेती हो, you just throw it away, तो तुम क्या करती हो, उसको फेंक देती हो. I guess it's my thought. It is guessed by me. But our television screen must have had a million books on it. But मेरे टेलीविज़न के स्क्रीन में मिलियंस मतलब लाखों करोड़ों में जो है सो बुक्स रखे हुए हैं, अरेंज हैं. एंड इट्स गुड फॉर प्लेंटी मोर, इसमें बहुत सारे अच्छे हैं. आई वुडेंट थ्रो इट अवे, मैं इसे कभी नहीं फेंकता या फेंकूँगा. सेम विद माइन, सेड मैर्गी. मैर्गी ने कहा शी वॉज 11, वह कितने वर्ष की है, 11 years old. She was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. उसने बहुत सारे बुक्स को नहीं देखा है जितना कि टॉमी देखा है. टेलीबुक्स को नहीं देखा है, उसने टेलीबुक्स को नहीं देखा है जितना कि टॉमी देखा है. He was 13. Tommy was 13 years old. That means he is senior to Margie. He is 2 years older than Margie. And Margie, she said, where did you find it? उसने कहा, मैर्गी ने कहा, where did you find it? तुम इसे कहाँ पाए हो या तुम्हें यह कहाँ से मिला है? इन माई हाउस, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. Attic means a space just below the roof. रूफ के नीचे कोई जगह जो स्टोर रूम के जैसा वर्क कर सके, नॉन एज एटिक. ओके, इन माई हाउस, मेरे घर में. ही पॉइंटेड, उसने कहा. विदाउट लुकिंग, बिना देखे, क्योंकि ही वॉज बिजी रीडिंग, क्योंकि वह पढ़ने में व्यस्त था. कहाँ? इन द एटिक, ए स्पेस जस्ट बिलो द रूफ, जहाँ वो पढ़ रहा था. व्हाट इज अबाउट, यह क्या है? स्कूल. द आंसर इज स्कूल. ओके, सो वी हैव studied it on other day, and in next class I will try to read number 3 and number 4 and maybe number 5 also. So homework will be number 3, number 4, number 5, and take care it seriously because this is literature class. If you do not understand it accurately, that means a lot of problem will create in front of you, especially in literature, and you can't create language and you can't write the answer in easy language. So take it seriously and take care yourself. Okay, thank you.